Okay, so I'm doing a fresh new one for the DJI Mavic Mini 2. Um, this is what I have right now, and of course you already seen my crappy one because I was so excited that I did it in the car in the dark. But anyway, this is the nice bag that you get, and it looks like it's got a nice water resistant covering. And it's nicely sealed. If you can see, it looks nicely sealed so that water won't really go in through the seams here. Oops, I'm having some issues here. Anyway, let me open this up. And in the contents, you have the remote control, the drone, accessories, and a few more extras in the bag. You get 3 sets of extra blades, propellers, extra control sticks in case you lose one, and the screwdriver set for the propellers should you need to install the propellers. It's not the quick release type that they used in the past, but for the Mini, I guess that's what's the more efficient and cost efficient method for them. Of course, you have your user manuals as well, and I don't see any additional pockets. It's pretty nice that they give all this in the Fly More combo, and if you don't have a prior one, I would say the Fly More combo is a better option for you for $100 more, because you not only get a battery charger, oops, you not only get this battery charger here, but it comes with 3 sets of batteries. Power in, out. So basically, you can also use this as an extra battery power pack should you need to charge up some items like your cell phone or whatever. Comes with extra cables, USB-C to micro USB. Oops. This is probably for the battery charger. USB-C, the regular USB, and USB-C to USB-C. This is the one I'm going to need. And the power brick. Everyone should get a power brick for the cost of spending any money, not the eco-friendly that Apple keeps talking about. Okay, let's open up the remote control first. Not like the old Mavic Mini. This is like the Mavic Air remote control. So I've never flown the Mavic Air, but this is definitely a nicer control than the Mavic Mini one with the screen that you will put on the bottom. I hate that. I'd rather have it on top because I'm more used to seeing the screen on top. So return to home, pause, sign or tripod mode, normal and sport mode, power, the control sticks, a camera, function button. Here you have your flight sticks, and it is a nice snug fit, so I really doubt that you will lose it. Just make sure you put it back in correctly, and then if you need it, take it out, screw it in. Some of the pros say once you screw it in, Most people will square it in up to this amount, but some people will keep it a little loose so that they have a little bit better control, because the slightest turns usually movements will usually affect the flight. So if you have it a little bit more extended, you have a little bit more control on how much movement you have. USB-C there. Okay, here's the toggle for the camera, record camera. Not sure what those two are. To pull the monitor out, not the monitor, but you know what I mean. Has a nice extent, nice reach. Okay, so basically that would be for the phone support mount. Okay, stupid of me. Here's the cables. So in it, it initially comes with the Apple connection. And you can actually pull that out too. That's the USB-C, which I'm going to be trading out because I'm not using the Apple. Okay. Now for the drone. With the Mini 2, they have been really nice to provide you a support to keep the propellers in place. Nice snap-on support. If I can get it back in, yeah. So this will keep your propellers in place so that it doesn't toggle about. So when you're gonna first use it, take that out. See that? If you didn't have that, you just have that flying around. Of course, they say remove all the stickers. So just imagine trying to put this in your bag with the propellers. This would help keep it in place. But I seem to be having a difficulty with that, huh? Yep, there you go. Anyway, remove that too. Okay. Yeah, please remove the gimbal protector before takeoff. So let's take this off. And I really haven't flown this out yet because it's raining here in Washington. That and work has been real busy. Okay, taking the last sticker off on this before we get to the camera. Here's your micro SD card, USB, and to get to the battery, open that up. Press this to pull the battery out. So here's your third battery for the battery charger. And each battery supposedly will give you 31 minutes of flight, so that's not bad. And it's the weight of this that's the nice part, because it's 249 grams, which meets the federal guidelines for most countries. Unfold the front arms forward, unfold the rear arms downwards. Let's remove those anyway. Unfold, and downwards, down. contents. This looks like there's some air vents here for the battery. The wiring. Looks like more air vents. Sensor. Proximity sensor, that is. Power button. And let's remove the housing. Okay, oops. That was too fast. Okay. Check that out. Remove that. Remove this. So, 4K camera. Looking pretty nice. Let's flip this over. Yep, ultralight, 249 grams. Again, you want to do this in reverse order again. Put this in. Oops. Put it in. Oh. Put the housing back on first. The two latches on the front. Put that in. Right there. Make sure it's thin, and then press. Oh, come on. And press downward. Okay. So that will keep the camera safe and tidy. Put back in. Orange on the top. Orange on the top. Yeah, orange on the bottom. Alright. So this part in here. That's why I was having issues. Okay. Snap it in. There you go. Now you can put it in the bag. No jostle with the propellers. Nice and secure. No damage, hopefully, huh? Alright. So just a quick thing here. I didn't have any space here, so I'm using whatever spot I had with an extra power outlet here. But as you can see, when I'm charging the batteries for the Dji Mini 2, I didn't know that. I thought it would charge everything, or if it was full, it wouldn't charge. It starts from the right to the left, charging as it goes. So once it's fully charged here, it moves to the next one. And then I guess when it's full on this one, it'll move to the next one. I thought I had more charge on the two batteries here, but it looks like they had it at the bare minimum. The one that was in the drone had the most charge, so that's why it's pretty. It was I believe it was like two bars. So this one looks like it's only at 1 bar, and it's charging now. So there you go.